in the mirror. Yeah, let's not talk about it. You've got $1 million face, but you're a part of every masquerade. Don't say a word about it. You're a crazy train riding alright, but it crashes near, so cover your eyes. So instead of being a jerk about it, why don't you let it out, out, out? Yeah, instead of being a jerk about it, why don't you let it out, out, out? You're in a race that cannot be won. You've done enough to please anyone. Hey girl, I see your silver tongue. In every way it makes me shiver, but let's not talk about it. You've got that $1 billion smile that stays forever in my mind. Don't say a word